Hey guys, Big Jonas here looking at Bitcoin's daily chart. Now we do see we are in this tight descending wedge of our price action here, falling pretty drastically over the past several days. We're currently finding support right above our 0.618 fib level taken from our nut low all the way up to our nut high. So we're in an area that we are all looking to bounce. We're also right at the previous neckline of our inverted head and shoulders. So we're all right there. We do have some EMA bear crossovers that we are having to contend with as well. However, we can see here our stochastics has completely pancaked where both the blue and the red is down here. We have not seen anything like this with both being so low all the way till back in previous September. So we're in another area here of a very low reset, which should basically suggest some sort of a bottoming. But we're not seeing our support hold on our RSI. We wanted like around 41 to hold. We're currently sub 40, and we're basically looking for some sort of a bounce here, and maybe this line currently that's resistance, as this day ends up, we can potentially pop higher. Otherwise we're going to close under it, which makes it now a strong resistance line here. A chance of breaking lower is possible, but there are other supports down into the 30s that could keep the RSI up. And of course, this overall dip basically brings us right here to where we started in the first place. So it is assumption to suggest that we should find support here. We do see here our MACD is still very bearish. However, we could be ending this histogram here and potentially trying to turn over, as well as our spacing now between our two lines here is actually interesting in terms of how wide this is. This suggests that maybe we're getting too wide and potentially could turn over. And lastly, our longs and shorts. Our shorts and our longs have been loading the past several days. One of these is potentially on the wrong side of this trade. It could definitely add to some of the money flow and volatility, whichever way Bitcoin decides to break. We'll keep an eye on this for you. The daily candle is about to close. We're going to see what this ends up looking like. Currently, some sort of a spinning top. We can pull this body a little tighter.